Have you ever stood by the sea and felt its call, that endless rhythm of waves whispering adventure, courage, and freedom? Today we dive into one such poem, Coromandel Fishers by the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. This poem isn't just about fishermen, it's about dreams, duty, and love for one's land. Poetry is the music of language. It paints pictures with words and emotions. It often uses rhythm, rhyme, and imagery to express deep feelings and ideas. And today's poem beautifully captures the spirit of the sea and the soul of India. Sarojini Naidu, 1879–1949, was one of India's most celebrated poets and freedom fighters. Known as the Nightingale of India, she used her poetry to celebrate India's people, nature, and patriotism. Her works blend lyrical beauty with social purpose, and Coromandel Fishers reflects her love for the hard-working fisherfolk of India's Coromandel coast. Rise, brothers, rise! The wakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free, to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the sea. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun where the hand of the sea god drives? He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. The title Coromandel Fishers refers to the fishermen living on the Coromandel coast of India, but deeper than that, it represents all hard-working people who depend on nature and face life's challenges bravely. The poet begins with an energetic call. Rise, brothers, rise. It's morning, and the skies awaken, praying to the light. The wind lies asleep like a child, a beautiful simile showing calmness after a stormy night. The fishermen are urged to gather their nets and set their catamarans, small boats, free. We are the kings of the sea. A line full of pride and confidence, showing how they see themselves as rulers of their world. The second stanza highlights their bond with nature. The sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The waves are our comrades all. Here, the poet uses personification, treating elements of nature like family. Even when storms come, they trust the sea god to protect them. This stanza shows faith, courage, and unity. In the final stanza, the poet contrasts the sweetness of home, coconut trees, mango groves, and loved ones' voices, with the thrill of the sea, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Here, the sea symbolizes freedom and adventure. It teaches that true joy lies not in comfort, but in pursuing one's calling bravely. The poem is written in 3 stanzas of 4 lines each, following a rhythmic pattern that mirrors the movement of waves. It uses similes, personification, and metaphors to bring nature alive. The tone is motivational and musical, fitting for a lyrical poem meant to be recited aloud. Visually, the poem paints the journey of the fisherman, from dawn to sea, a symbol of life's journey itself. The ocean stands for challenges, the dawn for new beginnings, and rowing symbolizes determination and hope. Think about this. Why does the poet glorify the fisherman's life, even with its dangers? What might the sea represent in our own lives? This invites us to see beyond the literal, to find courage in our own challenges. The central theme is courage, hard work, and harmony with nature. On a deeper level, during India's freedom movement, it symbolized the awakening of a nation, calling people to rise and work for freedom. The poem reminds us, true happiness comes from purpose, not comfort. And unity gives strength, just like the sea and the fishermen together. So next time you hear the waves, remember Sarojini Naidu's words, the sea calls us not to fear, but to rise. If you enjoyed learning this poem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of words.